27 lakh voters. That is not a rounding error. That is not a clerical mistake. That is the population of a mid-sized Indian city wiped off the electoral rolls in West Bengal. Let's talk about that today, with facts, with numbers, without spin. Let's be clear about who these 27 lakh people were not. They were not dead, they were not duplicate entries, and they were not Bangladeshi infiltrators, a term that gets thrown around every time someone questions a suspicious deletion. These were real, living, eligible Indian voters. How do we know? Because they appealed. They went to the electoral tribunals and said, "You deleted me." That's wrong. And here's the damning part. Nearly every single appeal that was actually heard was upheld. Wrongful deletion confirmed. So what did the Supreme Court of India do when petitioners asked for a simple remedy? Delay the West Bengal elections until these appeals are heard. They said no. Elections proceeded, and by phase 2 exactly 1,607 voters had been restored out of 27 lakh. That is 0.006%. The rest voted in a country that had already told them your voice does not count today. Now, we are not here to tell you that the TMC would have won if these votes were counted. Maybe the BJP still wins. That is a separate debate. What is not debatable is the principle. Free and fair elections are not just about who wins, they are about whether every eligible citizen gets to participate. And on that test, West Bengal 2025 failed spectacularly. And this is not isolated. Look at the pattern. Delhi, Maharashtra, Bihar, now Bengal. Each time, the opposition participates believing the system is just fair enough that they can still pull off a win despite a compromised election commission, despite the ED and CBI operating as a political instruments. Each time that calculation has been proven wrong. After the 2024 Lok Sabha results, the evidence was already on the table. So here is the question this country needs to answer. Not the politicians, us. At what point does the level of unfairness cross the threshold where elections should no longer be treated as a legitimate exercise? When 27 lakh voters are deleted and the courts won't wait. When the needles keep moving and nobody calls it what it is. We don't have that answer, but it's time we should stop pretending the question doesn't exist.